Yo, we're doing some milling today, so I've not seen many good videos on YouTube on how to set it up, so I'll show you. Got a ladder on this trunk. Basically, she slopes down a bit, so we've screwed a scaffold on first to sort of bring it up in so it's more level, and then we get better planks, like plane wise. Yeah, essentially this is just to get the first cut, so we're going to run the mill across here so we get a nice first straight cut. If you want to show the mill, there she is. But yeah, we'll show you some videos of us getting it done. Watch. So at the minute the machine's not at a very low depth, so you're going to have to bring it up, which means you increase the gap from the bar to this bar here, because the first cut's obviously quite wavy and dodgy, and there'll be a few screws in there, we've got to miss those. So we're going to bring this up and then we'll do the first cut. Watch. So done our first slab, sort of come flat. I had a bit of trouble with this bit at the end because it's already cut and it dropped, but we've sort of alleviated it by picking up a bit. We're going to do another cut along with the ladders because we want to make sure it's definitely flat, but the slab looks good. Some beech I took down from a school quite some time ago. So yeah, we'll do this next cut with the ladders and then we should be away. Wash. Yeah, so we've done the first cut. We put the ladders back on for the second time just to make sure that this cut's bang level. We cut that end off because we just end up having trouble with it in the long run. So yeah, I'm ready for this second cut, and then from then on I'm going to go without the ladders pretty much. But you look so good and I know what you're offering. So as you can see, we've now got a nice flat surface. Now we don't need the ladders, and we're just going to run the mill across it, and then we'll just keep going like that. Just got to get in a good first flat point. Else you're going to keep running off as you go, even more and more. So yeah, we're halfway there. That's the hard bit done.
So why are you doing that?
Essentially, it just seals the end grain up so it can't dry out too quick and then crack down the board. So it just traps a bit of moisture in, just slows the drying process down a bit.
Nice. I wasn't asking for myself, right?
No. Should hope you know by now.
Huh?
Should hope you know by now.
I know.
So on this one, I'm gonna do it sort of on my own. This is for the pulley system, so this sort of bangs in there, and then the winch on the saw will sort of coil in and pull it itself, so I don't have to have Rui helping me. The thing is it's a difficulty to finish off the cuts on your own, and I always end up making a mess of it, so really let me out on the last bit, but you can sort of do it on your own with this. I'll bang it in, and then sort of the line will come like that, essentially. So we've reached the point where this won't go any further, so if you're doing solo you'll get to this point and you can't really do much more. There might be a way, but I don't know it. So obviously this winch system's come to here and you can't go any further, and when you do, if you took this off and you try to do it on your own, this sort of starts to drop. Like I say, there might be a way of doing it, but I don't know, I've not done it enough to know. So.
Don't care how long it takes, you know I hate the way you make me feel so dark, you really broke my heart, you open up my scars. I think I need a break, don't care how long it takes, you know I hate the way you make me feel so dark, you really broke my heart, you open up my scars. I think I need a break, don't care how long it takes, you know I hate the way you make me feel so dark, you really broke my heart, you open up my scars. I think I need a
It's next day, we've been stacking these up, the slabs from yesterday. We put these in the middle of each so to sort of get a bit of airflow in between them so the wind can get through them, and then strapped them down so there's like a lot of pressure on them so they don't warp. Pretty much, it's done the same with these other ones we did the other week. Similar idea. And they're just undercover out of the sun pretty much, and so you can get a bit of wind. If you think I've done something stupid, let us know, because I ain't got a clue what I'm doing really. I'm just getting with the flow. I took a bit of advice, but it's hard to find information on stuff like this. So yeah, cheers for watching. Bosh.
Cut. Now you gotta say like, comment, share.
No, I'm not doing that.
Yeah, you do.